onto this, it's an elaborate problem. I realize that for a lot of students, if you got this far reading, that's great for you. A lot of students would shut down in this though. But I do want to write down, this over here, and I'm still working on the reduced row echelon form. So, and we'll look at it. Let me get rid of this. And I notice there's been changes now, right? So 7/15ths, 6/15ths, 2/15ths, 3/80. There's no change there. Oh, look at that. That's 5/15ths now. And then 5/15ths. Things have changed. And 5/15ths. That hasn't changed. And you get 500. And then you get 3/15ths, 4/15ths. And we'll look at the matrix in a moment, by the way. 8/15ths and 6/20. So it's a minor change, a very minor change. So let's just make sure I typed it in right. And I'm going to look at the matrix now. So 7/15ths, 5/15ths, 3/15ths, 6/15ths, 5/15ths, 4/15ths, 2/15ths, 5/15ths, 8/15ths, 380, 500, 620. The advantage of a machine, though, is it's easy for me to change things and see what happens. All right. Now, what are we going to do now? I'm going to put the reduced row echelon form down of this and see what happens. And you might be surprised what you're looking at over here. So let's look at it. And what I notice over here is a really strange thing. It says 0, 0, 0, 0, which is true, right? Like 0 B's plus 0 S's plus 0 F's would of course equal 0. But I want to go through this thing I'm seeing in the second row. But before I do that, I want to emphasize that we can choose any value we want for F. And if I did that, I would just simply say F is F. And over here, what would you get? Let's talk about what this letter is over here. The second letter in is B. B would equal 4,800, right? It would actually equal 4,800. I'm sorry, S. I think I'm saying that right. I got to look back over my work. Yeah, the second letter is S. I'm sorry. So S would equal 4,800 minus 5F. I'm seeing that right over here. All right? And then what would you get over here? Well, looking at this one over here, what are you looking at? This is the letter, and let's go back over that. This is letter B, all right? Now, what would B equal? B would be equal to 4 F's, right? That's the third letter in, minus 3,300, and I'm seeing that over here. So this is a system where, you'd have to pick a value for F that's reasonable, and then you'd be able to get a B and be able to get an S over there. This is probably more typical of a programming problem where there's decisions to be made. It's not an absolute what you pick for F. It's something that's you'd have to determine. All right, thank you.